So now we have the SIMULINK model. We have MLDATX file now that we have created. So we are starting to create additional models for this. Let's call it project. So, we have a tool called SIMULINK project to help manage all of this. So what's the best way to get all of these things into a project file? So we are quickly adding more and more files to this project right now. We might need these comparison data MLDATX file in future. So for now, I will just delete this gain block from this model before creating a project for this. The way to do that is go to menu and create a SIMULINK project right from the model. And when I do that, it would open up an interface where I can name my project. I can just call this Solid Planet, our channel name, and choose all the files that I wanted in my project. So I will add the MLDATX file that I just created. And once I hit create, that would simply create a SIMULINK project for me. So everything's here in just one spot. And because I created this project from this SIMULINK model, it looks like it creates a shortcut for me. So it just knows that it recognizes that, okay, you created this project from this file. So this is an important model and it's the top level and we are going to automatically make it. So that's easily accessible for somebody. Right now, I just have 2 files here. But a project could have hundreds of files, and the whole point of creating a project is that other team members can access it. Because you don't want to put all of those hundreds of files in somewhere in network and allow permissions to everyone to edit those files. Instead, you can put all the files in this project and then create shortcuts for specific files and that everybody needs to access.